Hey guys, it's Molly Hagan, and I'm going to be posting another video because I want to work on my articulation and kind of like my public speaking game. But I'm going to be sharing my comments on Dr. Roberts' article entitled "Abolishing Policing Also Means Abolishing the Family Regulations." And I like how she continually refers to the Child Welfare Department of Children and Families uh, programs as family regulation programs, and she compares the monitoring done by the police department with the family regulations or DCF systems, and how both of these systems really target poor communities, typically communities of color, communities of minorities. And as it states in the title, she heavily emphasizes that defunding the police department, as we hear a lot about in the most recent movements, the Black Lives Matters movements, in the George Floyd protests, about defunding the police, how this should also resonate with all the other systems that are linked to these monitoring systems, departments. Other systems like the child welfare, the family regulations agencies, the prison systems, all the targeting systems that are just creating more of a dysfunction within our society than actually adding to it or being productive. I do support not funding the police system more, but only as a way to prevent them becoming too militarized. I believe that they do play a healthy role in our society, so long as we maintain this path of transparency and accountability within the system. I also don't believe that quote unquote tearing down a system or using the term abolishment is a healthy way to create this change. It can't be an us versus them dynamic. That's unhealthy conflict. And I don't think anything will evolve permanently as a result of that approach. I feel like it has to be more of a slow process, a more of an integrating process like we're witnessing now. And I feel very optimistic, but I also feel like she definitely shed a lot of light on the cautionary aspects of the direction we need to be going in. So again, very grateful to be a part of this course, and thank you for listening.